Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore how life coaches can use language models like ChatGPT to support their clients and enhance their practice. If you're a life coach, this video is for you. First, let's talk about what language models are. Language models are computer programs that use artificial intelligence to understand and generate human language. One of the most popular language models is ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of text data and can generate human-like responses to a wide range of prompts. So, how can language models like ChatGPT help life coaches? Here are 5 ways. Providing information and resources. As a life coach, you need access to the latest research, best practices, and resources in the field of personal development. ChatGPT can help you in this regard by providing articles, books, videos, and other resources on various topics related to personal development, goal setting, time management, communication skills, and more. Offering insights and perspectives. Sometimes, you may need a fresh perspective on a problem or issue that you're working on with your client. ChatGPT can provide insights and perspectives on different issues, helping you explore different viewpoints and approaches to problem solving. Generating ideas. Coaching often involves brainstorming solutions and generating ideas to help clients overcome specific challenges or achieve their goals. ChatGPT can be a valuable tool for this, offering a range of ideas and suggestions based on its vast knowledge base. Conducting research. As a life coach, you may need to conduct research on various topics to better serve your clients. ChatGPT can help you with this by finding information on specific subjects, such as the latest trends in personal development, the most effective coaching techniques, or the best practices for achieving work-life balance. Providing language support. Effective communication is key to building strong relationships with your clients and helping them achieve their goals. ChatGPT can help you improve your communication skills by providing language support. You can ask ChatGPT to help you write emails, reports, or other documents, or to practice your speaking skills. In conclusion, language models like ChatGPT can be a valuable resource for life coaches, providing a range of benefits that can enhance your practice and support your clients. By using ChatGPT to access information and resources, gain insights and perspectives, generate ideas, conduct research, and improve your language skills, you can become a more effective coach and help your clients achieve their goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content.